What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of Alex Live TV. And today I am going to show you how to make homemade lasagna. There I set my oven at 350 and I'm going to oil my pan with a little bit of olive oil. You're supposed to use cooking spray, but olive oil is the next best thing. But I'm just going to coat the pan with this olive oil. Like, comment, and subscribe. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil in my pan so it's hot and sizzling for this ground beef. Well, ground turkey. Excuse me. Plop. Look at that sizzle. It's sizzling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Ground turkey is so much healthier than ground beef. That wasn't enough turkey, so I went and got some more. There I am. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to show you what I season with. There with a little bit of pepper. And then next, I'm going to season with seasoned salt. And that's it. And I'm just going to mix it all up. So satisfying ASMR. Alright, so we're just going to mix everything up together. Make sure it's done. Should take about 8 to 10 minutes. And voila, we're done. So we're going to drain the fat out. That's my drainer. And I'm just going to drain all that fatty fat or whatever the juices, y'all know. Let's speed it up and drain. Make sure everything is out. And we're just going to put it back in the pan. And then we're just going to put some garlic, which gives it that flavor. Like, bruh, who don't like garlic? Garlic is so delicious. Garlic is so good. And then my sauce for this evening, I'm going to use this roasted garlic pasta sauce, which was so delicious. And 1 can is all you need. And I'm just going to take my spatula and I'm going to mix everything up. And a trick to get the rest of the sauce out is just put a little bit of water in the thing. Give it a little swoosh. And boom, you don't waste no sauce. So there I am mixing it up with my spatula. And here comes the fun parts. Those are my lasagna noodles. We're just going to take about 3 and put it on the bottom. I should have used 4, but I was looking at the recipe, y'all know, but I like following directions. But there it is. I laid 3 on the bottom. And the cheese for this evening, cheddar, cheddar, cheddar. The more cheese, the better. This is my cheese of choice, so yeah. And the next we have mozzarella. Delicious. Like I said, the more cheese, the better. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. The next layer, we're going to add the sauce meat garlic mixture over top of the cheese. When I tell you this lasagna was bussin', it was bussin'. And this is what it looks like, the first layer. And then we're going on to the second layer. I think total layers I did was about 3. The top layer was a little ghetto because I was only left with 1 noodle. Like, come on now, what the hell is 1 noodle? I should have thought about this before I was layering, but it was still good as hell. I'm just going to speed it up so I do my layers. This is the easiest way I do lasagna, so you don't have to boil the noodles. If y'all try this, let me know. Let me know if y'all try this recipe. But yeah, you see, I only had 1 noodle at the end. 1 noodle. Come on, guys. 1 noodle. I should have thought about that. But we just gonna put some extra cheese on it. We ain't gonna talk about it. There's that cheddar. There's that mozzarella. Cheese makes everything better. I would have said butter, but nah. Cheese. Butter is good too, though. Then we're just gonna layer the top with the rest of the meat sauce garlic mixture. And then we're gonna put some more cheese on top. More cheese. Look at me clothing bags. Got that mozzarella. We're just gonna set that to the side. We're gonna take our foil. Dang, that was a lot of foil. We're gonna take our non-cooking spray. Our olive oil. Yeah, you're supposed to use cooking spray, but olive oil is the next best thing. So you take your olive oil, put a little bit on the foil so the cheese won't stick to it. And voila, there you go. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, I know y'all drooling over the screen because that looks delicious. So we're just going to cover the pan tightly with the foil. And next we're going to stick it in the oven about 50 minutes and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so it's been about 50 minutes. I'm going to take this bad boy out. And we're going to take the foil off. Hear that sizzle? Oh my god. ASMR. We're going to put it back in there for another 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and I'm going to finally take this delicious lasagna out. And after you take it out, you let it sit for about 10 minutes. And yes, I was making broccoli for my side. Delicious. What's your favorite vegetable? Let me know in the comments. But look at that cheesy goodness. And yes, I season my vegetables sometimes. A little bit of butter and a little bit of onion powder. Just gives it a little, gives it a little delicious yumness. Scrumptious. Try it. Y'all love it. Oh, yes. Ooh, yes. Look at that. I know y'all want some. I really know y'all want some. And now I'm just going to get my spatula and cut it up. I should have used a knife, but my black ass wanted to be cute and fancy. But we ain't gonna talk about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other videos you want me to do. And look at that deliciousness. Stop drooling. I know y'all drooling. Go get that napkin and clean up that mess. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.